Welcome to another episode of Lick My Gooch. Over here, Ron's gonna shoot for the first time.
I mean, I've shot before, but not this.
No, you haven't, dude.
Hey, pull.
This is a good bait to start at.
Yeah. D, pull.
That's a bastard.
Yeah.
Hit it.
Do it again. Pull. Who's next?
This guy's got a big cock over here.
Jesus, all right, Tony.
Ron, you think you can shoot things?
Fucking shoot these nuts in your mouth.
Touche.
Pull.
Whoa!
Oh,
Nice.
Nice.
Pull.
You got it?
Ooh, got it.
And pull.
Nice.
There you go.
Hey, when I hit it, it's gonna start hitting. Suck my dick. Fuck. There you go. Safety, dude.
All right. Oh, you got that on camera now, huh, motherfucker? All right, cool.
Nice.
I still got one more in this motherfucker. Huh? All right.
You're gonna go in the army? You're gonna try out for the army?
Let's do fucking D's nuts. D, all right? Fucking pull.
It's right there.
Oh shit! Got it. I still got it, motherfucker.
All right. Pull with an A, you sack of shit. Oh!
Oh.
Fucking blew it up. Let me see, you cocksucker. Hit it! God damn it. Fuck it. Fucking died. Do it again. I can't say that. Tony's a piece of shit. And I'll fucking prove it.
Yep. I'll survive in the woods. You won't.
I have a bow and arrow, you bastard. Pull! Pull, god damn it. Pull. There we go, baby. That felt good, didn't it?
Finally.
Hit me with A, this little cheap bastard. Pull! Here's.
I think it's frowned upon if you're like angry when you're shooting here.
Well, I wasn't angry.
My bad.
Okay.
Safety. Okay.
Let's go for this infamous A here. Cool. Oh.
It's like you have your cock out with Viagra, dude.
Cool.
It's probably like throwing a
Oh.
Just pretend you're stupid.
Really?
Tony does.
Okay. Let's do.
It works.
It does work. I'm just
Let's
kidding. Man.
do D.
No, you're not.
Cool.
Well, part of me is. Oh!
There you go.
See?
Alright, motherfucker. You didn't get it, alright?
Talking shit? You want me to turn around while I shoot?
Oh, really? Yeah. I've got two fucking guns right here, man.
This is loaded though, dude.
No, I'm gonna fucking boom.
Yeah.
Alright, pull.
This is what happens.
Oh!
Oh, that's two out
That's
of
the hardest
100.
one on there, and you hit it.
And the people in different countries pull different ways. Americans say pull.
Huh.
The Irish say he.
That's
Say
tight.
he, I like that.
The Arab was saying who.
Ho!
Double. Double.
Oh, you did a double? Oh,
Fuck this,
you want a
dude.
tip? You want one of my tips?
You want some of this shit?
Oh!
Throw me a fucking random, dude. Pull.
Up.
That was pretty high up there, huh?
Yeah.
You're plugging backwards.
What are you looking at?
Like, fuck, dude.
Oh shit! Okay. Fuck.
It's gonna be coming right out of there.
All right,
okay?
fucking pull, motherfucker.
You random.
Say pull.
Wait.
Well, steak and eggs are hitting, huh?
Pull. Oh fucking damn it, dude.
Hot.
I'll take a break, dude.
All right.
All right, let me try to hit.
Calvin, get your fucking ass back over here. But now that this is one day after, how do you feel? Do you feel any residual?
Low-key, probably chest pain. That's about it.
And you think that's attributed to the
Yeah.
chip?
Yeah.
An hour shit this morning.
I took an hour shit.
Okay, when you say you took an hour shit, was actual shit coming out of your ass for an hour, or like 10 minutes here, you wait 20 minutes and another 10 minutes?
No, I was on the toilet for an hour.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, and like shit was coming out like little by little.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have a hemorrhoid?
No, not hemorrhoid. No.
Okay.
Just a fucking.
Because usually if you sit down for that long, you usually have a hemorrhoid.
Shit.
You probably have one.
No, I don't. Took a shit earlier. Felt
Okay.
normal.
All right, well, there you have it. You want to do it again now?
No.
Ever?
Need a couple days to think about it.
Okay.
Another $500.
Let this guy do it. I feel like he's like.
No. I'm gonna fucking die.
You,
I'm not good with spicy shit.
okay, you will die.
I know.
Because he almost died.
Exactly. And he's Asian.
Yeah, he's Asian. What's your, I don't want to, like, what's your Asian?
Mike's favorite, Pinoy.
Pinoy.
Mike's favorite.
I don't have a favorite because that's racist. But I definitely don't like Pinoy. I'm just kidding. So I installed these mirrors by myself, right, Max?
Yeah.
Like,
You taught me how to do it.
yeah. So you see the green carbon? Everything matches. It's green. Who doesn't like the green carbon? You?
No.
Somebody doesn't like it. Oh, you did the lines already?
You did it, remember?
Yeah, I know. I'm saying I did it all already.
Right here. You see it?
Look at that.
It's steel braided.
Custom.
AN.
Look at that. Now I did my brakes.
Look. Here's a comparison between the two. That's factory shit. This is like fucking 10 out of 10 slut.
That's nice. Just
Yeah.
usually have a hard grading scale.
Yeah.
That's nice. But I really like the mirrors the most.
Well, your car stops now, so that's pretty cool, I guess.
Look, guys, can you see that? Mines. It says mines. Mines.
Okay, I'm putting the wheels on.
You already bled the brakes and everything?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
The mirrors.
I'm all fucked up today, I don't know why.
Why? You drank too much?
No, I had like pain right here. Right here. I don't know what from. Like, it hurts.
That right there is not your heart, so you're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll pass.
I hope, because this shit hurts.
I really like the mirrors, dog.
Yeah, they go. They're pretty gangster.
Come on, you guys. This is custom. Ooh, the green looks nice. Beautiful.
Huh? What?
Is he offloading anything?
I think he needs help unloading, if you know what I mean.
He's just picking some.
Sorry, I can't help with that.
All right, you're gonna edit yourself out of it.
I know.
Joseph, got anything to say?
I know.
Like, why? Where's Ron?
World's first. I don't know.
World's first right here?
Yeah.
Shittiest fitment in the front? That fitment in the front is trash, bro.
I didn't do no crap.
Joseph, where's the gun?
Here, I'll do the rear.
Where's the gun?
All right, guys. World's first G80. E88s?
E89.
E89s. I couldn't tell from here. World's first, but the offset's weak in the front. So Ron, you got to work on that shit, bro. Come on. All right, guys. Here we go again. The brakes have been bled, and the mirrors are on. I don't know if you guys can. Oh, that's hot. Honestly, look at that green right there, and then you come up close. Boom. Boom. So we got the mines here, that's coming. Front lip. Just a little bit of green touches and stuff is gonna make the car pop. But it's hard. It's sick, you guys. All right, well, Next for this car is I'm gonna start doing some engine work until the wheels are built. So we're gonna do the single turbo, intercooler, the downpipe, exhaust. That's next, so stay tuned for the next episode. Pete.